Hello, my name is Ron with Through the Wire USA, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one of our HDMI Matrix switches. This is the 2x2 model extended, so there is UTP output ports and there is two HDMI inputs where you plug in your HDMI devices. There is also an RS-232 port here. The unit does come with a cable. That's for controlling this unit by an external device like a computer. Here on the front we have toggle switches to cycle through the inputs, meaning the Blu-ray players. There are some LEDs here to show you which ones you're currently on. A power LED. There is an IR sensor here. The unit does come with a remote and a reset switch in case you need to reset the unit. Now this is a 2x2 version. It also comes in 4x4, meaning there are 4 HDMI inputs and 4 outputs. This unit requires 4 receivers. But for demonstration purposes, I will be demoing the 2x2 unit. Next I'll show you how to connect all the cables and the receivers to this unit. Now here I showed you on the back has 2 UTP outputs. You connect these outputs to a cable, a UTP cable. Here I have 150 feet. That we're going to use this cable with an active unit. Going this far, 150 feet, you need an active receiver, which requires power. On this side, I will use another type of receiver. This is a passive receiver, which means it goes only up to 50 feet but requires no power. So first, I will connect the DVD players to the inputs, HDMI inputs on the unit. Next, the UTP cable. Now the first receiver. The receiver does require power, so we will plug in the power. And an HDMI cable coming from this display to the receiver. Now I will connect the second receiver. First plug in the UTP cable, then the other side of the UTP cable to the UTP input on this receiver. Now I will plug this directly into the monitor. And we'll make sure they're both on. And lastly, the unit itself does require power. So we'll plug it in. Now you see all the LEDs coming on, the power LED and the input LEDs. Now we're seeing both monitors displaying the DVD and the Panasonic. This unit also comes with a remote. It works exactly the same as the toggle buttons on the front of the unit. It will cycle the input 1 or input 2. So I will go ahead and I'll press the 1 and cycle that. And give it a second to update. Now they're both playing the DVD and the Samsung player. I'll press 2, cycle that. Now this side is playing the movie from the Samsung. This one is playing the movie from the Panasonic. And they are both playing at 1920 by 1080. And like I said before, this one is a passive unit. It's going over 50 feet. This side is going 150 feet to this wall plate unit. And there is also the 4x4 unit I showed you in the beginning. It works exactly the same way. There's just more players or HDMI signals going into it, and more receivers, and more displays. For more information about this product or to make a purchase, please click the link in the description.